Stop scrolling. Some of these AI inventions are so powerful, they're about to replace entire jobs and almost nobody is talking about it. Let's get into it. AI isn't coming. It's already here. And these aren't small upgrades. These are industry-breaking inventions, the kind that make companies panic and billionaires smile. Some of these tools feel illegal to know about. And number 13? That one genuinely shocked me. 1. AI employees that never sleep. Imagine hiring a full-time worker. No salary, no breaks, no complaints. That's what AI digital employees are doing right now. They answer emails, run customer support, manage calendars, even make sales calls. Companies are replacing entire departments with one AI system. This isn't automation. This is replacement. 2. AI that builds apps in minutes. You describe an app in plain English. That's it. Codes it. Tests it. And launches it. No developers. No tech team. No $50,000 budget. This is breaking software startups because now anyone can build one. 3. AI video creators that never show their face. No camera, no mic, no editing skills. AI now writes the script, creates the visuals, adds voiceover, and edits the video. Entire YouTube channels are being run by one person plus AI. Media companies are already scared. And creators who adapt early, they win big. 4. AI that predicts business failure before it happens. This one's wild. AI can analyze cash flow, customer behavior, and market trends, and tell you months in advance if a business is about to fail. Banks are using it. Investors are using it. Founders who ignore it, they don't last long. 5. AI personal lawyers. Legal advice used to be expensive. Not anymore. AI can now read contracts, spot red flags, and explain legal language in plain English. Some startups are offering 24/7 AI legal help for the price of Netflix. Law firms? Yeah, they're nervous. 6. AI doctors that catch diseases early. AI can scan medical images and detect diseases earlier than human doctors. Cancer. Heart disease. Brain conditions. This doesn't replace doctors, but it completely changes healthcare. Early detection saves lives. And this AI does it fast. 7. AI that replaces market research teams. Instead of surveys and focus groups, AI analyzes millions of online conversations in real time. It knows what people want before they even say it. Big brands are killing traditional market research and switching to AI insights. 8. AI real estate agents. This one hurts. AI can now find properties, analyze prices, predict future value, talk to buyers, all without a human agent. Real estate isn't dead. But the old way of doing it? Yeah, that's gone. 9. AI music artists. AI can now create original songs. Not covers, not remixes, original lyrics. Original vocals. Original beats. Some AI artists already have millions of streams. The music industry is quietly panicking. 10. AI that runs ads better than humans. Marketing teams spend years learning ads. AI learns in hours, it writes the copy, designs the visuals, tests hundreds of versions, and kills losing ads instantly. Companies using AI ads are outperforming human marketers hard. 11. AI tutors for every student. One-on-one tutoring used to be a luxury. Now AI tutors adapt to your learning style, pace, and weaknesses. No judgment, no pressure, just results. Education will never look the same again. 12. AI game developers. Entire video games are being built by AI, storylines, characters, worlds, gameplay. Indie studios are launching games with tiny teams and competing with giants. 13. AI that replaces financial advisors. This one is dangerous. AI can manage investments, reduce risk, and optimize portfolios better than most humans. It doesn't panic. It doesn't guess. It just uses data. Wall Street is paying attention. 14. AI content moderators. Social platforms used to hire thousands of people to moderate content. Now AI scans text, images, and videos instantly. It's faster, cheaper, and never gets tired. Entire moderation teams are disappearing. 15. AI that turns ideas into businesses. This one ties everything together. You give AI an idea. It validates the market, builds the website, creates branding, writes ads, launches the product in days, not months. This is why startups are exploding everywhere. Why this matters? Here's the truth. AI isn't taking jobs. People using AI are taking jobs. Every industry is changing. Every skill is evolving. The winners? They learn early. If even one of these AI inventions helped you think differently or gave you a new idea, make sure you subscribe, because this channel is all about staying ahead of AI, not getting left behind. More tools, more strategies, no fluff. See you in the next one.